UPST stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. As I'm looking at Upstart Holdings stock, it's a cool 10% increase. And I'm just seeing it pulling down inside a demand zone. Which, by the way, previously, like beginning September, it's been like a theme up until November where I just try to look for longs. Generally speaking, was very successful with it, and now I'm still looking for like the same exact things. We still have like our targets set there. And generally speaking, because this is also like a phenomenal demand area, bro, this is like not better timing. There's not better timing than this for the confirmation. So what's going to be the confirmation? Just a little like I want to see a little retracement and then a break above it. If I see that, bro, then no one's stopping me from longing this. And I really mean like when I say, but obviously first rules must be met. So it's not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.